Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am doing the Halo eye makeup look. I've been really in love with the way the look has been turning out. I've been seeing a lot of posts on Instagram where people have been trying this look. I'm using the JaclynHill Morphe. The reason I use this palette is because I just love the colors. It has so many different colors that you can choose from. I've mentioned in my post, this is one of my favorite palettes. The colors are just so pigmented. They have nude colors, they have shimmering colors, and it's like a go-to. I want to mention that if you're a fan of JaclynHill, she is coming out with a new palette. It's a collaboration with Morphe again, and it's coming out June 26th of this month. Let me know your thoughts, you guys, and if you like this look, please comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to my page. Thank you. To prime my eyes, I'm using the Aquacealer concealer from Tarte. I'm just taking a beauty blender to blend that all out. The first color I'm going in with is called Hunts, and I'm using that for my crease. I am using a Shiseido brush, and I'm starting out from the outer corner of my eye all the way to the inner corner of the eye. So the next thing I'm using is the Sigma E40 brush to blend that all out as I am building my crease. To get the halo look, the second shade color I'm using is called Twerk, and I'm just applying it on my crease again. I'm starting from the outer corner all the way towards the inner corner. And you do want to start off by taking just a little bit of that shade and build it along as you are blending it through. So it does take about 2 to 3 minutes to blend that all out. You want to make sure that it is really blended well, just so you get all that nice halo look. I'm still going in with more of the Twerk, and I'm applying that towards the outer corner of my eye and the inner corner of my eye. So for the middle section of my eye, I do want to apply a shimmering shade. So I'm going in with a concealer and just applying that towards the area that I want to apply that, that shimmering color. The third shade I'm using is called Pool Party, and it's such a beautiful color from the palette. I really love it. I just wanted to show you on the back of my hand how it looks. So I'm just taking my finger and applying that all over the area where I put the concealer. And you want to start off again just putting little and then building it along. And then I'm taking my MAC 217 brush with nothing on it, and I'm just blending that all along. And then I'm taking the Sigma E55 brush to apply more of that shade. Again, I'm taking the MAC 217 brush and just blending all those colors out. And then I'm going in with Naked Urban Decay brush that I have for my palette, and I'm just really smoothing in the Twerk color and the Pool Party together, just so it doesn't show where you're actually started from those lines. And then again, I'm taking the Shiseido brush and just blending it out. I did want to apply more of the Twerk color on my crease, so I'm going in again with the MAC 217 and just applying more of that Twerk color on the outer corner of the eye, and then going all the way to the inner corner and just building it and blending it through. To prime my face, I'm using the NYX Honeydew Primer, just applying that all over my face so I can set the foundation. The foundation I'm going to be using today, it's called Fenty Beauty by Rihanna. So you do want to start off by shaking that foundation. I've heard that if you do shake that foundation, it applies better. I'm taking a NYX lipstick and using it as a color corrector to get rid of that acne. And then I'm taking I'm taking a Sigma Foundation F60 brush. Then I'm applying that on my face. I'm taking a beauty blender, and I'm just building my foundation. I've put it on the back of my hand, and then I'm applying it with a beauty blender and building it slowly. You can already see the difference from the sides. Fantastic. I'm going back in with the NYX eyebrow pencil, just filling in those areas that I missed with the foundation. And then I'm using the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna for conceal, contour, and highlight. I'm just contouring the areas of my face. The next thing I'm doing, I'm going in with a concealer from the same packet, and I'm just concealing underneath my eyes, and then I'm gonna apply that on top of my nose, my forehead, my under chin, and on top of my lip as well. I really like the way this concealer works out. It just brightens underneath your eyes so much that you don't really have to use any kind of color corrector if you have lots of dark circles underneath. And I'm the type that has lots of dark circles underneath my eyes, so this works fine without having to apply any kind of color corrector. I'm taking a beauty blender and I'm taking a MAC setting spray, and I'm just spraying that beauty blender a little bit, and then I'm working into getting my contour set as well as my concealer. I'm taking some more of that contour and I'm just applying it underneath my cheek area. I just felt like it wasn't enough, so I'm going in with a little bit more. I'm going in with a bronzer and I'm just bronzing the areas that I just contoured on my face. And then I'm going in with some blush for my cheeks. I am sorry, I'm not sure why my camera is not focusing, but the product was called Hourglass. And then I'm going in with the highlighter. I'm using the highlighter from the Fenty Beauty packet. And I just highlight my cheekbones and then my nose, my forehead, underneath my chin, on top of my lips. I just love highlighters. It makes such a difference when you're applying your makeup. Then I'm taking my beauty blender again and I'm just pressing that highlighter in so it shows more. To complete my under eye look, I'm taking a pointy brush, and this is from Urban Decay brush that I had from the palette, and I'm taking the shade Pool Party and I'm just pressing that in. So the next shade I'm taking is the second shade we use for our crease. It's called Twerk, and I'm just blending that out underneath my eye with the color Pool Party. For the lower inner corner of my eye, I am using the shade Twerk to press that in. For my waterline, I'm using the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in the color Grape Vine. I am using Sephora fake eyelashes in the number 3, and for my mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal. So I do skip the part where I'm applying my fake eyelashes. I will do that in another tutorial. And then I'm using a mascara for my under lashes. And then I'm going in with Bite Beauty lipstick. It's called Chai. It's a really cute lipstick. It's so small. I think I got it from Sephora for my birthday. It's like one of those little gifts that they put on the side. So to set my makeup, I'm using a MAC setting spray, just spraying that all over my face. And this completes the look, you guys. I hope you like it. Please comment below, let me know your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.